How today we're talking about international child abduction in the United States. Every year, hundreds of children from countries around the world are brought to the United States by one of the parents without the authorization of the other parent or in violation of a ruling on custody. The United States is part of the Convention on the Civil Aspect of International Child Abduction. Therefore, it is possible for the parent of Italian nationality to request the repatriation of their minor children through this instrument of international law. However, the work carried out by the USA Central Authority is limited to locating the child and attempting an amicable settlement of the matter, while any judicial action must necessarily be exercised by the other parent through a USA lawyer. In fact, unlike what happens in Italy, where it is the public prosecutor who requests the application of the Hague Convention, in the United States, except in California alone, it is up to the abducted parent to sue the abducting person. As regards the jurisdiction to decide international child abduction cases in the United States, this rests with both the state and federal courts. Abduction is in fact considered a federal crime. However, it is necessary to carefully evaluate which of the two jurisdictions to appeal, because the costs and the times are very different from each other, also depending on the state in which the minor is located. Given the urgency of these cases, therefore, it is necessary to entrust from the outset to people who are competent in the method. Our services in international child abduction cases conducted in the United States can be summarized as follows. Activation of the 1980 Hague Convention directly from Italy through the Ministry of Justice, forwarding to the competent USA Central Authority at the USA Department of State of all the necessary documentation, support to the USA Central Authority regarding the attempt at an amicable settlement and the request for voluntary return. If the voluntary return does not take place, we provide complete legal assistance on the USA judicial system to try in the shortest possible time the repatriation of the minor in Italy.